Namaste and good morning. So today's posture is lizard posture or Uttan Pristhasana. Uttan means stretched out, Pristhasana means back of the body. So this is one of the posture which is good for your hamstring, good for your hip flexors and good for your quadriceps. So for this one, the first step is you are bringing your right foot in the front. Your right heel and the knee are in line. Your left knee and hip are in line. Both your hands are inside your right foot. From here, you're going to try to do the either push up and try to bring your forearms on the floor. So you're going to start getting a nice stretch on your hamstrings and inner thighs. You can always use the blocks. Maybe try to bring your one forearm on the floor and use other to support your stretch. You might be here or you can go down. Try to bring your both forearms on the floor. This is the one option. Once you have a more stretch, or once you are more open, your hips are more open, you can tuck your left toe and straighten the left leg. So that will give you a nice deep stretch your right side. Breathe. You can hold it here. From here, once you have more flexibility, you can rest your head on the floor and open your arms in the side. So this might be too much, so stay wherever you are. As you progress in your practice, you can go to the next step. So that was lizard posture. From here also, you can continue with getting a more deeper stretch. So you can bring your right foot in the center. You can use your hands either on the blocks or keep it on the floor and try to straighten your right leg. And now try to bring your toe towards your side and try to fold forward. So this is one of the good stretch for people who sit a lot and drive a lot. Now you are getting a nice deep stretch from your hamstring to all the way to your quadriceps. Stay wherever you are, feel the shake, breathe. And when you're ready, slowly come back, bend the leg. And try the same thing on the other side. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a great day. Namaste.